A low battery in the transmitter will be indicated on the LCD display with a low or empty battery icon. Install 3 AAA batteries into the transmitter battery bay. Push the on button. The receiver will beep 4 times to indicate the command was received. If the battery is low on the receiver, you will not be able to hear an audible beep from any commands from the transmitter. Install 4 AA batteries into the receiver battery bay. Note the polarity on the battery cover. Place the position slider into the remote position.